Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi soy sauce. Combine soy sauce, mirin, rice vinegar, sugar, and bonito dashi, then simmer gently for 5 minutes and cool. Taste and adjust one ingredient at a time until the balance feels right. This method is simple, reliable, and easy to repeat for batches or single servings, and I'll walk you through tasting and storing tips so you get perfect flavor every time. Gather ingredients and tools before cooking so you won't rush the process. Measure soy sauce, mirin, rice vinegar, sugar, and a small amount of bonito or kombu dashi. Use a small saucepan and a whisk or spoon for stirring. Keep tasting spoons and a clean jar ready for storage. I'll guide you step by step through combining, heating, tasting, and cooling so you can reproduce this sauce with confidence every time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and clear timers into the kitchen so you can time that 5-minute simmer without fumbling, and it sounds great while you cook. It's a handy companion for recipes and playlists alike. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the measured ingredients into a small saucepan and stir gently until sugar dissolves. Heat over low to medium heat and maintain a gentle simmer for 5 minutes to meld flavors without evaporating too much liquid. Remove from heat and let the sauce cool to room temperature so the flavors settle. Taste and adjust with a little more mirin or vinegar if needed, then transfer into a clean jar for storage and use with sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.